Hey guys, I'm glad you all are here. Welcome back. And welcome back to the Self Love Club, guys. As I always try to focus on self love. So today I am trying to do the makeover of my room, but first for that I have to order some stuff, which I'm gonna do right now. I'm on IKEA website and I have to order some stuff. And now summer is gonna come very soon, so I wanted to do a little bit makeover according to the summers. So today is that perfect day. Let's do the order, guys. Let's try to change the vibe of this room. I want to do the makeover of this room in some aesthetic way because I am an aesthetic girl. I am not, by the way, but I'm trying to be one. So I want to start with the mirror, maybe this kind of mirror. Let me see if I can find it. So IKEA has some good options. Maybe I should go with this one. I think this one would be the better. I don't know. I think this one is good. Easy to keep in your room, and it has some storage behind it. So I think so. This will go better. Finally, guys, I've added to the cart the mirror. Now it's time for the small table. I always wanted to buy the small table, and here I have, but I want in white color. They don't have in white color. I don't know why, guys. I'm so obsessed with the white color. Okay, I found one. It's in white. I'm gonna show you the final things. Before that, let me choose the stuff, and then I'm gonna show. I don't know why some items like less than $5 they say not sold for delivery. So I guess that's enough then. Let me do the checkout because I wanted to order candles also, aesthetic candles to do my journaling, but then they are not for the delivery, so I have to figure out another site for the candles with the good scents. So it's okay. Right now I have this one in my cart. Let me order this one. Before that, I'll show you. I have to take out some stuff which I've put last night, which I don't want anymore. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, done. So let me show you. So now it's time to show you, guys. I know guys, it's for some people it could be very small thing to make over the room, but for me it's an essential part of my life. And when it comes to self-love, it's not just about how you feel, what you do for yourself. It's also about your surroundings. It's also about the place you live in. It's also about the way you think. It's also about the things you do in your life. So I find it very creative sometimes doing stuff for my room, for my life, for my mental health. And this is also important. So if you guys were thinking from very long to buy something but you think it's waste of time or energy or money, I know, guys, sometimes people say you should not spend too much on clothes, expensive clothes, or too much on your, I don't know, like shoes, materialistic things. But you know, if you are here in this earth, you exist, your human mind works like that way. If you like something, you really like it. Okay, I know after some time you don't even feel having those things, but then by the time you start saying yourself you don't want this. But you know, when you keep things for later, like you'll buy later in life, you'll do that stuff later in life, later, at some point you don't want it. At some age you don't need it, and at some point of time you don't even feel that emotion, that same emotion. So if you feel right now of doing something, just do it anyhow. Even you don't it, you're gonna regret it. So just do it. That's how I think. I know my parents, my partner always tells me don't do overspending, but that's how I like it. It's okay, it's only just one life. I don't care. Guys, my final list is ready. I'm going to check out. Before that, I'm going to show you. Wait, the first one is the floor lamp, then the bulb for the lamp, then bowl, it's for my kitchen, then this side table I was talking about, then the mirror, the favorite one, the favorite part, I always wanted it, the bowl, and then the shelf unit. That's all, guys. And then I'm gonna do the checkout, and then we will talk about some self-love motivation. Let's talk for 2 minutes about self-love. So I started this channel. Let me tell you the reason why I started this channel if you are new here. So last year I was running towards big goals of my life, and by the end of the year I found it, because most of the goals I couldn't make it. I tried, but then I lost refusals because I am living very far from my family, from my partner. Sometimes it's very exhausting mentally, very exhausting. Not sometimes, most of the times it's very exhausting. So, because of that, every day I was like, no, I'm not going to do anything, just sleep, eat, work, because I'm working full time. So, whenever I used to come back from my office, I used to feel like, just sleep, you should not go outside, you should not do anything, because anyhow you are alone. I do have friends here, but I don't know, sometimes you are like, no, I don't want to go anywhere, I don't want to meet anyone. You are in your own low vibe zone. So that's how I was living my life, and to be honest, I was living at very low vibe, which you should not. Always, no matter how the life is treating you, you should feel gratitude, you should be happy. And I don't know how some people, they are so positive always. I am not that kind of person. Most of the time if you will see me, either I'm overthinking or I am thinking negative about some things which I can really do better or I'm good at. I always like, no, I cannot do it. But another side of mine is totally different, which is very rare to be seen. So that's how I lived my 2025. So when this year started in 2026, 1st January, I thought to push myself towards positive things, to live my life in a better way, to be more grateful towards God, to be more grateful towards life, to my loved ones, to my family, to my friends. So that's how I started this channel, that even for me, if it will take like 5 minutes or 10 minutes per day, I have to do something small or big, I don't know, which will make me happy. Either it's journaling or going out, taking short trips, trying new outfits, doing the changeover for the room, buying small stuff online, and not just monetary things which involves buying or selling, but then anything which you like, even having small time with yourself and then documenting that life, so that if somebody is also in the same place right now can see my videos. And I know we, most of us, we have the same way of seeing the life, but then approaches are different. So I wanted to try this approach, which I think is useful by now. We are sitting in March, so 3 months of 2026 has been passed, and I think this idea or method is really working. You should really love your life. That's what I have found out. Anyhow, you have to spend a day. You have to spend these 24 hours every day. Nobody cares you spend it in a happy mood or a bad mood. Nobody cares. It's just you who cares. It's just who is going through or feeling through certain way. So if anyhow you have to spend it, why not to spend it with good people? If you are spending it alone, just spend it nicely with good thoughts, with positive thoughts, loving yourself more. That's all. So yeah guys, that's how I started this channel, that's how I got motivated, and I wanted to talk about it, so I talked, and I will talk about my feelings more in coming videos. And yes guys, that's all I wanted to share it with you, to share the makeover of the room with you, to do the makeover actually. And I hope so by the end of 2026 I'll see the opposite of what I felt in 2025. And when I scroll down the videos, my documentation, I should feel proud that yes, I wanted, I did it. I really made a difference. Not just in mine, but others' life too. That's so nice. Bye. Have a good day. Love yourself. Keep loving yourself. Keep loving yourself. Keep thinking positive about you. It's your life. You are the one who gonna write it. You are the one who gonna live it. So just write it beautifully, live it beautifully. Bye guys. See you in next video.